Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Inayat Asghar. I'm an OA level teacher. I'm an engineer. My qualification is MS Electrical. I'm teaching since last 15 years as a home tutor normally, and I also take the classes, online classes on Zoom. Today I'm going to give the demo of A-level mathematics P1, pure mathematics P1. The first topic of P1 is quadratic equation. Sorry. Normally quadratic equation students learned in O level also, but this is a advanced version of quadratic equation which we use or which we learn in A level. Now I'm going to share the whiteboard where I explain the quadratic formula and quadratic equation as well. I hope that after this you will be able to solve the quadratic formula or to derive the quadratic formula. Gentlemen, now look at the whiteboard. Here I will going to solve the quadratic equation, how the quadratic formula derive. Normally, quadratic equation can be solved by factorization, computing square method. Here, I use both the computing square method and factorization you can also, but only for the quadratic formula we use the computing square method. The quadratic equation is a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a will not be equal to 0. Keep in your mind a, b and c are the constant and x square and x are the variables over there. So if we divide both sides by a like this, a, then the equation become a cross with a, and this will be 0. This will be 0. Okay. Then equation will modify x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a is equal to 0. After this, sorry. After this, I will rearrange the equation as x plus b upon 2a. It will become whole square, because this method is basically completing the square method, where we add the b upon 2a whole square and add and subtract on both sides. Then the equation will be like this: plus c upon a is equal to 0. If we rearrange the equation, then equation will become like this: x plus b upon 2a whole square and b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. After this, if we taking square root on both sides, then equation will be modified like this: x plus x plus b upon 2a plus minus is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This will be after the taking square root on both sides. If we subtract both sides by b upon 2a, both sides, then equation will be modified like this: x minus b upon 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Finally, the equation will be modified. I will write in as a single fraction: x minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is a simple demo of my teaching strategies, but this is not final because in limited time span I cannot express myself. The brief demo will express my experience, my teaching strategies, how I explain the student. It depends on the question of the student. So thank you.